I love it.
It's coming back.
Well, yeah,
No.
And it was dead, right?
Sam just killed it.
And now it's coming back to life?
It's coming back.
There you go.
Look.
It was dead.
It was dead, totally.
There you go. And see, this is what I'm talking about. StarQuest Channel, Green Fingers with Valentina Greenfingers Butov. That's right. And my brother, her husband, the one and only Alexander Butov Berenboim. That's where we are. And here we are. There we go. And she's doing it. There she is, the beautiful Valentina.
Look at this.
She's got flowers everywhere, growing from nothing. This is from absolutely almost nothing. She makes them grow.
By the way, American people, this plant already 4 years. 4 years.
4 years old.
Actually, it's like annually. It's annually. Summer, they flower, they blooming. After that, they just throw it away. That's it. I'm cutting off. I'm putting some water during the winter time, and in the spring, you see, it's 4-year plant. You can't imagine. People just throw it away.
Right, and you got it blooming. That's a beautiful thing.
4 years, and every year is blooming.
Well, that's because you are the woman. You're the woman. Once again, here we are on the StarQuest Channel with Valentina Butov Berenboim, Green Fingers.
Okay, look at that. You see that plant? It was empty. It was few, you know...
buds or whatever?
It's coming up. What else?
She's got flowers everywhere. You're the best, Valentina. Valentina, just why?
But this one, I'm impressed. I'm impressed because it was dead totally. It was nothing at all.
And now it's back to life.
Yeah.
You got it.
Can you imagine?
Okay. Super. Bye.